How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Today I've got the most gorgeous looking compact phone that I've used in recent times, and that is the Xiaomi 15. Well, thanks to its stunning design and beautiful looks, this is the only Xiaomi device that I've used for a pretty long time, and that actually changes my perspective regarding the software experience of Xiaomi phones. It is running the HyperOS 2 based on Android 15. And in today's video, we'll talk about all its features, customizations, and also things that I don't like about HyperOS. So it's gonna be a really interesting video. Stay tuned and watch it until the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. With that said, drop a like, leave a comment, and let's get started. Now, before I talk more about the HyperOS, I want to address one of the most commonly asked questions, especially from iOS users who recently got switched to Android, is how they can completely transfer data from their iPhone to Android, including WhatsApp chats, images, videos, and documents. Guys, there is one ultimate solution for all your data transfer headaches, and that is the Wondersharemobiletrans software. All you need to do is just head over to this video description and download this amazing software onto your PC or Mac. Once you open it up, you will see different options like WhatsApp transfer, phone transfer that basically help you transfer everything from your old phone to the new one. Then we also have something called backup and restore, and this is where you can do your phone backup. And then we also have deleted WhatsApp data recovery. So there are plenty of useful tools inside this single software. And in order to transfer your WhatsApp chats, just click on WhatsApp transfer. Here you need to connect both the source and destination phone. Once that is done, you can select the data that you want to transfer. You can literally transfer everything, including WhatsApp chats, photos, videos, documents, voice notes, and even your group messages. Now click on start to begin. Depending on the amount of data, it's gonna take a few minutes to transfer all your chats, and trust me, within no time, all your WhatsApp data will get transferred to your new phone. It's a must-have application if you're someone who keeps switching phones frequently. Definitely check this one out. Alright guys, let's start off with the lock screen customization, because this is where I think they have done a fantastic job. Not only do we get this beautiful interface with some nice and fluid animations, but there is a wide variety of different presets and all of them look really good. I know most Android skins these days offer a lot of customizations related to the lock screen, but the clock styles and presets you get on the HyperOS really make your lock screen stand out. Not only do we get a ton of different styles, but it even allows you to customize each and every element as per your need. So if you want, you can enable or disable the depth effect, customize the font by adding some gradient colors, adjust the transparency, blend the clock color with your lock screen wallpaper, and you can also add some beautiful wallpaper effects as well. There is an option to add some blur, and you can also add a glass or lens effect to make your wallpaper stand out. So there are plenty of customizations you can do with your lock screen, and I like the way they have implemented all these features. Trust me, you'll end up customizing your lock screen more often in HyperOS compared to any other Android skins. Another thing that impresses me about the HyperOS 2 is the smoothness. Guys, the animations on this phone are so damn good. I mean, it just flows and the overall experience is buttery smooth. I have already made a dedicated video comparing the animations with other Android skins, so if you haven't already, then make sure to watch that video too. You will get a direct link in the description below. Now coming back to the animations, trust me when I say this, you get a very similar experience to what we get on a phone running ColorOS or OxygenOS 15. I'm not sure about the mid-range Xiaomi phones, but at least on the flagship, you're definitely gonna get a very smooth and fluid experience thanks to the HyperOS 2. The way how the control center expands from the right side and notifications from the left, just look at how beautiful and smooth it looks when switching between different lock screens, app opening and closing animation, widgets animation, each and everything feels so fluid on this phone. All I can say is that these animations actually make interacting with the UI a lot more satisfying. I think this is very close to what we experience on Oppo or OnePlus devices, and the best part is you also get the option to force 120Hz on every single app you have installed on your phone. So the scrolling is also really smooth. Now it's time to talk about home screen features and customizations. This is where things might look kind of outdated and boring because of the same old icons and the overall aesthetics of HyperOS. Although we do not get any option to change and apply third-party packs from the Play Store, there is a workaround for this particular thing. Guys, have never tried Theme Store on any other Android UI except for HyperOS. I mean, this is the only way to customize the app icons, and you also get some good looking themes on the Xiaomi theme store. I usually apply only the icons from a specific theme, and for that you just need to tap on customize, deselect everything and select only the icons. That's it. Now everything remains the same except for the icons, and this way you can change and customize the look of boring icons on HyperOS. Now unlike the icons, I kind of love the widgets section on HyperOS 2. I think they all look clean and they have recently added some new widgets as well. You also get some pill-shaped widgets which are definitely inspired by One UI, but I think they look really good on your home screen. Next, if I go to the app drawer, here we can tweak a few things and make it look a lot cleaner. You just need to tap on the gear icon. Here, first things first, disable the app suggestion toggle, then go to the manage apps category and disable that as well. Guys, you can also adjust the background transparency to add that nice blur in the background. Once you are done, now the app drawer will look much cleaner compared to what we usually see on Xiaomi phones. If you talk about the control center, I'm still not a huge fan of this iOS inspired design, and this is something that we see on most Chinese UIs these days, where they all just copy the iOS control center and it looks exactly the same. But now with the iOS 26, Apple themselves have redesigned and changed the look a bit, but I'm sure we'll see something very similar on the HyperOS that will definitely resemble the liquid glass design. This is the only thing that I didn't like about the Xiaomi's design language. They just bluntly copy iOS and it kind of looks cheap to me. I really want to see the complete revamp of the HyperOS, which I don't think will happen anytime soon. Now apart from the design and overall aesthetics, HyperOS does offer a bunch of really useful AI features. If I go to the settings page, here we get a separate section called Xiaomi HyperAI. If I go inside, we get a ton of AI features. There is this AI writing that again works exactly like the writing tools that we have on iOS. It even has the same exact interface, but the implementation is actually good. You can summarize the text, correct your grammar mistakes, and it also lets you rewrite the text in different tones. All these tools work really well, and it does enhance the typing experience on a smartphone. Then we have got some photo editing tools. If you select any picture, tap on edit and then select AI, we get a bunch of useful tools. You can further enhance and improve the quality of your pictures using AI. You can use the expand tool to change the orientation of your pictures. Then we have got AI eraser that will remove unwanted objects from your pictures, and there is also this option called sky which has some really cool presets and it completely transforms the sky in your images with the help of AI. Next, there is something called AI speech, and this basically transcribes speech to text automatically during recordings, allowing you to view transcripts in real time. Then we have got AI search, which can help you to search pictures, videos, recordings, files and documents on your phone instantly using AI. Along with this, you obviously get the circle to search feature where you just need to circle or scribble on an object and it will instantly provide you with the Google search results. We also get the Google Gemini built-in since it's a flagship phone. So the AI features are pretty good and they have implemented them perfectly in the HyperOS. So these are all the features and customizations that I really liked in the HyperOS 2. I love the animations, it feels buttery smooth all the time, and I also like the lock screen customization options we get in Xiaomi phones. Definitely I think HyperOS is way better compared to some other UIs like the FunTouchOS 15. The only thing they need to work on is the design and the overall look. It doesn't look visually pleasing to the eyes, and they should stop copying iOS in every single way. But I don't think it's gonna happen anytime soon, since they have already copied many more features and design elements in the upcoming HyperOS 3. So unfortunately they are going to continue copying iOS in upcoming updates. With that said, that's pretty much it for this video. Do let me know in the comment section which is your favorite feature from HyperOS 2. And if you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android and I'll see you guys in the next one.